Hello.
Your passenger.
Hello.
Hello?
Yeah.
Yeah, how far are you?
I'm in the parking lot.
You gotta pull up to the valet, in the front.
No, I mean like I'm in the parking lot. Like I'm coming to you. I'm in the parking lot coming.
Oh, but you know where the valet part is, right?
Nah, I'm not from around here. I'm coming up to the front where the front
like,
is. Where everybody pick up at. Where all the pickups are.
Yeah.
Yeah. The normal spot, yeah.
Yeah, alright, thanks.
Yep. Hello.
Passenger.
Hello.
Hello?
Yeah, I was just right here. I was just right here. I got to move all around now because the cops is making everybody go out. Now I got to go all the way around the whole thing.
Nah, you at the wrong pickup spot. I'm by the valet part.
I'm at the pickup spot wherever you guys put. If you guys didn't put the right spot, man, I don't know what to tell you.
I'm literally down the street from where you at. You just gotta get on the Central Park Ave and make a right, and the valet part is right there. Like you trying to get free money up? Like
free money? What are you talking about? I'm not even at the spot. I'm sitting here waiting for y'all. Cancel the order, man.
That's why I'm saying you going the wrong way.
Just cancel it, bro. Just cancel.
I'm saying you going the wrong.
I'm about to cancel.
I'm about to.
Don't worry about it.
No, this nigga act like a straight bitch.
You a bitch.